Permutation and combination. Before we proceed in permutation and combination, we need to know what is factorial. The factorial function just means to multiply a series of descending natural numbers. We have examples. First, 4 factorial is equals to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The answer is 24. The second is 7 factorial is equals to 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The answer is 5040. And the third is 1 factorial is equals to 1. Reminders. It is generally agreed to 0 factorial is equals to 1. It may seem funny that multiplying no numbers together gets us 1. But it helps simplify a lot of equations. Now, we proceed in permutation. A permutation is an arrangement of all or part of a number of things or objects in definite order. The number of permutations of n objects taken are at a time is given by. Instead of writing the whole formula, people use different notation such as this. If we can see, 0 is greater than r and less than n. Evaluate the following. Let's try to answer these examples of permutation. Letter A. P 4 and 0 is equals to 4 factorial over 4 minus 0 factorial is equals to 4 factorial over 4 factorial is equals to 24 over 24. And the answer is 1. If we can see, 24 divided by 24 is equals to 1. Next is letter B. P 5 and 2 is equals to 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial is equals to 5 factorial over 3 factorial is equals to 120 over 6. We divide the 120 to 6 and the answer is 20. Next is letter C. P 7 and 7 is equals to 7 factorial over 7 minus 7 factorial is equals to 7 factorial over 0 factorial. If we understand the use of factorial, we know that 0 factorial is equals to 1. Then 5040 over 1, so 5040 divided by 1 is equals to 5040. And that's the answer. Let's try this problem. How many different ways can a manager and a supervisor can be selected for a company branch in Manila if there are 8 employees available. If we can see, the given of this equation is 8 employees and the manager and the supervisor was 2 positions. Solution. Since order is important for the managerial and the supervisory position, we would need to apply permutation. Then, P 8 and 2 is equals to 8 factorial over 8 minus 2 factorial is equals to 8 factorial over 6 factorial is equals to 40,320 over 720. Then we divide the 40,320 to 720 and the answer is 56. So, there would be 56 ways to select a manager and supervisor. Let's also try this second problem. How many different ways can 5 television commercials can be played during a 30 minutes television program? We also need to apply the formula of permutation. Solution. Since order is important, the solution is P 5 and 5 is equals to 5 factorial over 5 minus 5 factorial is equals to 5 factorial over 0 factorial. Since 0 factorial is equals to 1, then 5 factorial is equals to 120, then 120 divided by 1, and the answer is 120. So, there would be 120 ways to set up two commercials. Permutation with repeated elements. It often happens that objects which are virtually identical get arranged. Our inability to distinguish between these items reduces the number of possible permutations by the number of ways these identical items themselves can be arranged. Permutation with repeated of n elements are permutation where the first element is repeated. N sub 1 times the second, n sub 2 times the third, n sub 3 times, where n1 plus n2 plus n3 and so on is equals to n. Let's try this problem. There are 4 copies of statistic books, 5 copies of probability books, and 3 copies of forecasting books. In how many ways can they be arranged on a shelf? Solution. There are 4 plus 5 plus 3 is equals to 12 books, of which are 4 copies of statistic book, 5 copies of probability book, and 3 copies of forecasting book. The number of arrangement is P sub n is equals to n factorial over n sub 1 factorial times n sub 2 factorial times n sub 3 factorial is equals to 12 factorial over 4 factorial times 5 factorial times 3 factorial. The answer is 27,720. Let's also try this other problem. How many 9-digit numbers can be formed with the numbers 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4? If n is equals to 9, then 2 have a 3 is the n1, then 3 have a 4, which n2, and 4 have a 2, which n3. The order of the elements does matter, the elements are repeated. Solution. P sub n is equals to n factorial over n sub 1 factorial times n sub 2 factorial times n sub 3 factorial is equals to 9 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 factorial times 2 factorial is equals to 1,260. Circular permutation. When the things are arranged in places along a closed curve or a circle, in which any place may be regarded as the first or last place, they form a circular permutation. Those with the distinguishable object, we have n-1 factorial arrangement. In symbol, the formula of circular permutation is P sub C is equals to n-1 factorial. Where the number of n-1 factorial, instead of the usual factorial n factorial, since all cyclic permutations of objects are equivalent because the circle can be rotated. Let's try this problem. In how many ways can 4 students be seated at a round table? The solution: let one of them be seated anywhere, then the 3 remaining can be seated in 3 ways. There are P sub C is equals to n-1 factorial is equals to 4 minus 1 factorial is equals to 3 factorial. Then 3 times 2 times 1 is equals to 6. So, 6 ways of arranging 4 persons in a circle. Now, let's proceed to combination. A combination is a grouping or selection of all or part of a number of these things or object without reference to the arrangement of the things selected. The number of combination of n objects taken are at a time is given by. This formula is so important. It is often just written in big parentheses like this, where n is the number of things to choose from, and we choose R of them. As well as the big parentheses, people also use this notation, where 0 is greater than R and less than n. Evaluate the following. Let's try to answer these examples of combinations. C 5 and 0 is equals parentheses 50 is equals to 5 factorial over 5 minus 0 factorial 0 factorial is equals 5 factorial over 5 factorial times 0 factorial is equals to 120 over 120 times 1 is equals to 120 over 120, which 120 divided by 120 is equals to 1. Next, letter B. C 4 and 4 is equals to parentheses 4 is equals to 4 factorial over 4 minus 4 factorial 4 factorial is equals to 4 factorial over 0 factorial times 4 factorial is equals to 24 over 1 times 24 is equals to 24 over 24. Or 24 divided by 24 is equals to 1. Next is letter C. C 6 and 2 is equals to parentheses 6 2 is equals to 6 factorial over 6 minus 2 factorial 2 factorial is equals to 6 factorial over 4 factorial times 2 factorial. Combinations of different things taken any number at a time. The total number of combination C sub n of n different things taken, 1, 2, 3, and so on, n at a time is. The formula of combination of different things is C sub n is equals to 2 exponent of n minus 1. Let's try this problem. How many different sums of money can be drawn from a wallet containing one bill each of 20, 50, 100, 200, and 500 pesos? Solution. Each bill may be dealt with two ways, as it can be chosen or not. Since each of the two ways of dealing with a bill is associated with two ways of dealing with the 5 bills, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equals to 2 raised to 5 ways, but 2 raised to 5 ways included the cases which no bill is chosen. So, the required numbers of ways is C sub n is equals to 2 exponent n minus 1 is equals to 2 raised to 5 minus 1 is equals to 32. Minus 1 is equals to 31 ways. Or we can solve the problem in different ways, such as C sub n is equals to C 5 and 1 plus C 5 and 2 plus C 5 and 3 plus C 5 and 4 plus C 5 and 5 is equals to 5 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to 31. Take note that we did not consider C 5 and 0 because it refers to not taking any bill among the 5 peso bills.
Till we see the sunlight, alright.
So la-da-dee-da-dee, we like to party, dancing you and me, doing whatever we want. And this is our house, and this is our rules, and we can't stop.